Hey guys, it's Titan Kill Roll, and I'm playing Dota. So I forgot this website. It's called actually right in this corner, the screencast. I'll try to remember to post it in the descriptions. So you guys check this out. If you want to start your own little game channel, yeah, check this website out. Yeah, that's what I'm using for now on, this, doing games. So let's pull up Dota. Boink. And start doing multi. I should do snipers. I like playing snipers. So I just started playing with this for about 10 minutes. I've been up all day. I went to sleep. Kinda tired. Yeah. I will be making this video right now. Wait, those things up. Here we go.
Your turn to ban. 5 seconds remaining.
And I'm this little dude right here. So I'm on the green side up here. Up here. And these are my enemies down here.
Prepare for battle.
Just get these little things so I can attack the creatures. I mean creatures, these little goblin things that come out of here.
30 seconds to battle.
Yeah, but the really little goblin dudes come from over here. And little green goblins come over here. So we got Zeus, the sniper dude, the dragon dude. Like an actual dragon up here. This is weird because I'm not used to playing the game and making a video. First time usually recording just the screen, turning it to my face. Yeah, these little things. The mule creep. And these big dudes right here. Oh, these little dudes are kind of like the characters up here. It's like people actually playing. These little goblin things right here are just kind of like little computer things. Oh dang, I died.
Your middle tower is under attack. Top is missing.
So this little dude right here, just kind of like roaming around, is actually a real player. Oh, it's really freaking bright. I don't like it. Dang, I died. Okay.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I died. Dang, I died. So yeah. See you guys on the next video. Disconnect. So yeah. That's all I want to show you guys. I might be playing the Magic Duels because, like, I don't know, I'm bored. Or I might play this one, the new. Yeah, it's just the unlimited. I can't speak. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.